It's me again, Trishulyan, and welcome back to our complete AutoCAD training course for 2D and 3D. For lesson 11, we are going to discuss text commands. Okay, so we have so many commands to use when we're going to write text in our AutoCAD. So how do we write text in AutoCAD? Okay, first we will use this command text or dtext or simply dt for short. Okay, let's try it in CAD. So the command is text or dt. So type dt, enter. Then specify first point of the text. Let's try here. Then specify the rotation angle of text. So it is a 0. So we just enter it. So now we can write our text, and let's try the quick brown fox jump over the back of the lazy dog. Click in the workspace and then press enter. Okay, so that is how we write text in our AutoCAD. So let's try dt again. Type dt in the command line or dt. Okay, and then start point, and then specify the rotation angle. So if it's 0, just press enter. And we will just press enter again because the default angle is 0. Now let's try and type again. The quick brown fox jumped over the back of the lazy dog. Then click in the workspace and press enter. Okay, let's try another text command. This time we're gonna use the MText or the multi-line text, or MT for short. Okay, so type MT, then enter. So first, we will need to specify the first corner and then specify the opposite corner. Okay, so this is the opposite corner. We will now type our text. Okay, what's happening? Okay, so the quick brown fox jumped over the back of the lazy dog. Oh, lazy. Now, click in the workspace. So you see the difference between the text or the single line text and the multi-line text is that the multi-line text composed of several lines, or you can make paragraph in it. The text will adjust in the given space you have provided. Now let's go to Qtext. Okay, Qtext is on and off. So let's try Qtext in AutoCAD. Type Qtext in the command line, Qtext, then enter. So the default is off, but this time let's try to turn it on. Okay, so type on, then enter. Then type text in the command line or dt, then enter. And then specify the start point. Okay, so We need to specify the height. Let's say 500. Let's just try 500, and then the angle of rotation is 0, so just press enter. And then now let's write our text. The quick brown fox jumped over the back of the lazy dog. Then press enter. Or click in the workspace, then press enter. Okay, so in the single line text, when the Qtext is on, we cannot see the actual text but only a rectangle or rectangular box which occupy the supposed to be position of our text. So let's try the Qtext using the multi-line. So again, the Qtext is on. So we will type empty for multi-line in the command line. Press enter, and then we will specify the first corner and then the opposite corner. So take note that the Qtext is still on. Now let's write our text. The quick brown fox jumped over the back of the lazy dog. Okay, so click in the workspace, and this is our output. We can also see boxes using the MText, but in here we can see two boxes because it has two lines. Now let's turn the Qtext off again. Okay, so type Qtext, and then we type off to turn it off. Okay. Now let's type text in the command or DT. Then specify our point of text. Okay, so height is 500 again, and then angle of rotation is 0. Now we're going to write again the quick brown fox jump over the back of the lazy dog. Then click in the workspace, enter. Okay, so now that the Qtext is turned off, we can see the text again. So let's try it in multi-line text. So type empty, enter, and then the first corner of our text, and then the opposite corner, and we can start typing again. The quick brown fox jump over the back of the lazy dog. Okay, so click in the workspace. So now we can see the text using multi-line when our Qtext is turned off. Okay, so let's try another single line text command again. So type DT, enter, and then start point, and then let's say 500 again for the text height, and 0 for the angle rotation. Okay. Click in the workspace and then enter. Okay. So this is another example of single line text when the Qtext is turned off. So let's try excuse me, a single line text again, but this time we will change the rotation angle of our text. So DT again, then start point, and let's say 500 again, And then this time, we are going to try the 90 degrees. And then we will type the text. Click in the workspace, then press enter. Okay, let's move this text. Okay, so as you can see, from the last text, it is rotated by 90 degrees. And then this time, we will try the 45 degrees. So let's try DT again for text. DT again for text. So specify the point. And then let's say 500 again. And then let's try 45 for the angle rotation of text. Okay. So what do we have here? We'll type Cavite State University. Then click in the workspace, then press enter. Okay, let's move this. So we have okay. So we have here a text rotated by 45 degrees. So let's go to the style. So this one, style, ST for short. So type ST, then enter. And a text style dialog box will appear. So let's modify the paper text height. So this is it. The paper text height from 0 to, okay, we have earlier 500. So let's try 800. Let's also change the font name from Arial to Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Okay. So press apply and then close. Okay. You see that the text are changed into Times New Roman. No? So let's try typing again. So type DT in the command line. Specify the first point. And angle of rotation. Let's go back to 0 again. Enter. Okay, let's try it again. So DT, enter. Then specify start point. Then our rotation angle is 0. Then enter. Okay, so we can type again. Okay, let's try Autocad. Click in the workspace, then press enter. Okay, so notice the difference. The font style is now in Times New Roman, and the font size is increased from 500 to 800. Okay, so type ST again in the command line. So ST, enter. Now let's try the effects. We have these two effects, and then check the box for upside down effect. Okay, apply, then close. Okay, so notice that the text was changed to upside down direction. Now, let's type ST again. And now we will check the backwards effect. So apply, then close. Okay. So the text is now turned upside down, and at the same time it is written backwards. No, so what is the importance of this? So if you have computer, you can try setting the styles. Okay, so type style again, ST, and uncheck the boxes for the effects. Apply and then close. Okay, so that is the style, and now let's go to DDEdit, or we call it, or ED for short. Okay, so the command is ED, type ED. Okay, so before we type ED, we will write some text for examples. The quick brown fox. Okay, type in the workspace, press enter, and then we will copy this text. So, CO for copy, then enter. Then we will specify the base point, and then we will specify the second point or where your text will be. Okay. And then let's have a text again. Write another text. So DP enter. Specify point of text. Angle rotation angle is 0. And then let's try the quick. Click in the workspace, then press enter. Okay, so the command is ED. So we will type ED and then select an annotation object. So we will select, okay, we will select first this Autocad. Then we will edit this text, no? We will make this, okay, into big letter A and big letter C. Okay, after editing, we click on the workspace. Okay, let's try another one. Type the ED, or just press the space bar to repeat the last command that we have made. Then select annotation object. Okay, so let's edit this one. Okay, the quick brown fox jump over the back of the lazy dog. Okay, so click in the workspace. So that is how we edit our text using the DE or DDEdit. And now, okay, we are going to change the properties of a text by this command, DDModify, or we can use CH or MO. Okay, let's go back to CAD. Okay, so first select the text to be edited. Let's try AutoCAD again. Excuse me. Okay, we select the AutoCAD and then type CH. Then press enter. Then from here, we can change its color. So we have here the properties. Color is by layers, so we can change it and turn it into yellow. Okay, so you can see. Let's try another example. Let's say this one, the quick brown fox. Okay, so type CH, then enter. Okay, let's try to change the line type scale from 1. Let's say change it to 5. Okay, you see nothing happens because our line type here is a solid line. No? So still nothing changes. Okay, however, it is noticeable. So let's change the color of this text into blue. So we have blue. Okay, so let's try another example. You just press the escape if we're done. Okay, now type CH, enter. Okay, let's select first this the text and then type CH, enter. Okay, so the properties have been, okay, we will look for, okay, not CH, okay, let's become, okay, select this one, then CH, enter, and then we will look for the effects. Okay, this one, we look for the effects. Okay, so we will turn it off, the upside down effect. So yes. Okay, so that this text has been turned upside down. Okay, so escape when we're done, and then let's try another one for modification of text. Okay, so select this text, then type CH again, and try to change the width. Okay, let's look for the width. Okay, the width factor from 1 to 20. Okay, we can see that the text were the text was expanded, no? Because it has to be fit in the given width, which is the 20. Okay, so the text is now already modified. Now let's go to justification. Okay, so this justification, and from here we can see there are little tiny text. We have TL, ML. These are the justifications that we are going to use. We have TL for top left. We have ML for middle left. We have BL for bottom left. We have TC for top center. We have MC for middle center. We have BC for bottom center. We have TR for top right. We have MR for middle right. And we have BR for bottom right. Okay, so let's try this in CAD. Okay. Let's try here. Okay, so select this one and then type CH, then press enter. Okay, under the text, this one, the properties, look for justify. Okay, so this is it. And make it in center. Center. Okay. So let's try another example. Let's apply some justifications here. Let's copy this text. So CO for copy and copy it 3 times. So, okay. This only, the Autocad only will be copied. So we have 1, 2 and 3. Okay. We will try different justification in these examples. So type again, not type. So choose the first example and then type ch. Under justify, we will choose the middle center in the first example. Okay, so let's try middle center. Okay, so that is the MC, no? And the from our this one MC from our PowerPoint, from our handout. Okay, let's try another justification in this example. So justify again, and then now we're going to choose top left. This one, top left. Okay, you see there has been changes. Okay, or in this third example, so click the text, then type ch, then under justify again, choose top center. Okay, so the text has been moved. And then let's try the middle center. Middle center. And let's try top left. Top left. Okay. Please escape. Then justify fit. We were going to use justification. Fit for justification in this last example. So choose this one, then ch, enter. Then in justification, let's say fit. Okay, this one. Fit. Okay. But you see, nothing happens because it has to be fit in the given height, given factor, no, with factor. Okay, so in our previous example, okay, so let's escape this one. So let's try from our previous examples. Okay, let's try in here. Then ch. Okay, take note that this is a multi-line text, this one. So we will try to change the properties of multi-line text. Okay, let's try to change the justification into middle center. Okay, and then let's try to into bottom left. Let's try it into the bottom center. Let's try in the bottom right. Let's try again in the middle center. Bottom left. And bottom right. Okay, so that is how we use the justification of text in our AutoCAD. So we will just change the properties of this text. And now we go to special codes and characters. So how do we write in AutoCAD a word with an underscore? So this one, underscore, overscore, the plus and minus sign, and the diameter symbol. Okay, so let's try this in CAD. Okay, first we will type text, so DT, start point, and then we will press enter for 0 for the rotation angle. And then we want this word to have an underscore. So based from our handout, let's check. It is %, then U. Okay, let's go back to CAD. So we will type text. So let's say then click in the workspace, then enter. Then let's edit this text using ED. Then select the object or the word Autocad as the annotation object. And then we will type the %% U at the beginning of the word. %U. Okay. Now, our text has been underscored. Now, let's write another text. So, DT, enter. And then specify start point, 0 for rotation angle. And then let's type AutoCAD. Click in the workspace, then press enter. Okay, let's move it a little bit downward. Okay. And then let's try to edit this text by typing ED, then enter. And then we select this annotation object or the text that we want to edit. And then at the beginning of the text, we will type the %O. Okay. Now the text is now overscored. Now let's make a plus and minus sign. Okay, we will make this by typing %P. Okay. But first, we will need to type another text. So, DT, enter. Specify first point and press 0 for the rotation angle. And then, we will type 120 kilo ohms. And then, we will type the %P for the plus and minus sign. And then 10%. Okay. So that is how we make the plus and minus sign. And for the last one, the diameter symbol, let's go back to CAD. Type in the text line, type text in the command line or DT. Okay, we will try. Okay, let's try again. DT, enter. Then start point, then press enter. Okay, let's try %C. Okay, so that is how we write the diameter symbol in the CAD. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 37 diameter. Okay, so let's first type DT in our command line. Then select the start point. And then 0 for our rotation angle. And then we will type 37 and %C for the diameter symbol. Okay, let's try again by 127 diameter. Okay, so DT again. Specify the first point and then rotation angle is 0. And then let's type 127 and type angle or %, I'm sorry. %, then capital letter C to make the diameter symbol. Okay, now we are done with text command. How how are they done, and the outputs that can be developed using these commands. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson 11. Thank you for watching.